My name is Tshepiso Aporeng. I'm 19 years old, and I was born in 1992, July the 27th. I'm into acting. I love acting. I believe that I can be somebody's role model if I am trained professionally, and I believe that I can do it. My favorite actors include Angelina Jolie and a lot of them out there, you know. Yeah. So please vote for me. Yeah. Oh, there you are. Ronald, where have you been? It's past midnight. Why are you doing this to me? Where have you been? Who have you been with? You called me. Oh, I'm sorry. Where were you? At work. Okay, I'm sorry. See what you're doing to me? You're turning me into an insecure wife. Why are you doing this to me, Ronald? You know I love you. Please, talk to me. I've lost trust in you. I don't know what to do anymore. Every time you step outside the door, it's like you're stepping outside our marriage. I love you. I do. I really do. Please show me that you care too. I can't keep living like this. I can't. Please. Please, Ronald.